Good evening, my dear friends. So today I am going to tell you about 5 tips in which your English will improve. Yeah, in these 5 things, if you follow these steps, then one day you will become and you will talk like a native speaker. Yeah, absolutely right. So now generations English is very important and very speaking languages everyone know about it. You are using phone, absolutely English languages, computer English languages, everything in this generations English. So why we need English? Do you know why we need trending, man? This is a trending, English is like a language which you can express yourself about yourself. So I would like to say 5 things. Okay, first things that improve your grammar. Then you say grammar, why I never learn Hindi grammar to speak English. Then why English grammar? Yeah, absolutely. Some you should have to learn some tense like present, past, and like future. Everyone knows. First thing, speaking, practice is very important. Like a skills, you will get skills. Okay, so if you do practice, then you will be better. If you do practice, then you will do better. And so I am going to tell you one thing. Okay, first thing, improve your vocabulary. Okay, search on Google, search on YouTube, vocabularies, catch and learn a lot of vocabularies in daily life, in newspapers, which vocabulary is used on there, then it's very helpful to you. Second second is memorize. Whatever you learn, memorize and start to practice. Are you got it? Start to practice that. Like make sentences, little bit in your day. Second. Third is that you should have to also use you should use applications very helpful to taking test and like this kind of thing. Third thing, fourth thing is that you should uh, what I say, like if you don't know how to practice, yeah, if you have no like friends who can talk with you in English, yeah, you are not like that environment that people's, yeah, students on their talking English, then you should have to download one application like Hello application. Yeah, absolutely, I also used. This is a really very useful applications in which you can easily get a lot of friends on there, and also a teacher, but teacher will come after your subscription. So teacher, I think very high payment. So not do these things. Lot of friends on there, very good positive friends all over world, so you will attach, and then after you improve their English. And fifth thing is that talking to her, yeah, him, not her, him, whatever you like, and your English will improve. And in before sleep time, always listen. Okay, about some sentences in which your mind will programming, and then your mind will start to think in English. Got it? Good. Have a nice day. Take care. Good night.